Lizzie, this was a widely expected outcome with regard to the actual rate policy. But do you feel as though now the market certainty of pricing in an interest rate cut in September is going to come to fruition? And then how markets move from here? What's already priced in?
Well, good morning, Dom. Certainly a September rate cut is on the table. And what I think we heard from the commentary you just shared was a slightly more optimistic tone. Really, what we know from the Fed is that they are data-driven, not data point-driven. And, Dom, we still have 7 weeks until the next FOMC meeting, so a lot can happen between now and then, but the market is certainly having a positive reaction to that commentary.
We saw that yesterday, Lizzie, with the surge that we saw in stocks. It was a banner month for small cap stocks overall. There's been a broadening of the overall market rally to other parts of the stock market, smaller mid-cap stocks. Is this something we can see continuing, and even more so if the Fed does hypothetically lower interest rates in September?
I think the broadening out is very encouraging to the extent that we do see the September rate cuts come to fruition. I think the small cap rotation has legs and there's still more room to run there. But Dom, what I think is important is that we cannot look at whether it's the sector level, the style box level, the index level monolithically, because the Russell 2000 is a great example. There's 1,800 plus companies in the Russell 2000. Half of those are not profitable. And not only are the profitable companies greatly outperforming the Russell 2000, the unprofitable are actually negative on a relative basis. So I think now is the time to lean into higher quality, fade lower quality. But I do think that the September rate cut gives small caps legs. However, it does take some time for interest rate cuts to work their way into earnings.
Lizzie, we would be remiss if we didn't ask you what was the top of your list right now. What kind of investments, what kinds of stocks and sectors are the highest?
Well, Dom, I think that you can use the volatility to buy names you want to own. Microsoft's a great example this week, down 8% after they reported with weaker cloud data, but an overall very strong fourth quarter fiscal numbers. I think mega cap tech continues to lead the way and use the volatility to enter in at a lower price point for names you want to own for the long term.